Well, hello YouTube, how are you doing? So today we're going to discuss a new topic called Java arrays or arrays, simply arrays. So what are arrays? Arrays are simply used to store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring it into separate variables for each value. So how do we define an array? So we use square brackets to represent arrays. So this one is a string variable, string, and it has an array which has nothing, and the name of the array is called cars. So now we can create the same string array with cars and put values inside a curly bracket. So Volvo, BMW, Ford, and Mazda. So how do we access array? So you have an array, it's got 4 elements in it, and if you want to access one of the elements, you simply just write system.out, the print line, cars and 0. Remember that the array starts from the value 0, so value 0 will be Volvo, then BMW would be 1, 4 would be 2, and Mazda would be 3. Let's run the example. As you can see, the output is Volvo. Let's get to another example. So if you want to change a specific value, you just specify the name of the array and the value, the number of the array. So the 0 is the position, so 0 was Volvo, so instead of Volvo we would write Opel, OP1. So let's see how it's changed. Now we have an array which has OPE1 at the 0 position. So how do we define length of an array? So length of array can be just found out by using the variable called length. So here we have a system.out print line cars.length, and it's gonna return the length of the array, which is the 4 values, number 4. So the length of array is got 4 values, so the length is 4. Now we go for a loop of an array. So we have an array, the same array cars, and we go for the loop. So for loop, for int I is equal to 0 and I is car.length and iterate I. So when we system.print out line cars.I, so it's gonna repeat the loop by printing all the values, Volvo, BMW, Ford and Mazda. We can have a different syntax for string, for string I and cars, colon cars. This can also be used. Yep, that's done. What you can do, you can also use multi-dimensional arrays. So you can have more than one arrays. You can either 2 multi-dimensional arrays with one inside another one. You can have int x, now you can use a for loop inside another for loop to get the elements of 2-dimensional arrays. So for example, this for loop and this for loop, it's going to give you different values inside the array. So the I is going to give you the first 4 elements, and the j is going to give you the last 3 elements. So that's it. Really, it's really easy. What you do is you just have a curly braces, type the name of the array and write the values inside the array, and you can then call it using the index values. That's not much into arrays. It's really easy topic, could be easily done, and that's it for this video. Thanks for this tutorial. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.